Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Let's learn with Zarinaraza. Friends, today we will learn about the Independence Day. How do we deliver a speech on Independence Day? So, let's learn. Hello everyone. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am here to present a welcome speech for Independence Day. Today it's our 75th Independence Day, and we should feel proud to be a part of an independent nation that has freedom of speech, freedom to live life in our own way. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. Independence Day in India is celebrated on 15th August. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. On this day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the independence of India. We pay tribute to our freedom fighters on this day. National holiday is observed on this day. On this day, the national flag is hoisted in schools, colleges, and government institutions. Various cultural programs are organized on the occasion of Independence Day. Independence Day motivates us to love our country. Now I am going to end my speech with these words. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Friends, in another way also, we can write a speech on Independence Day. So let's see. Independence Day is a national festival in India. We celebrate it on the 15th of August every year. It is a national holiday. People conduct various cultural programs. Every Indian celebrates this day. On 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors of our country, we have become independent today. And today we celebrate this day to pay tribute to those brave warriors. Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. And after independence, first Prime Minister of independent India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And the first ever President of independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Now friends, I hope you all have understood about how to write 10 lines on Independence Day and how to deliver a speech on Independence Day. And if you like this video, please like and share also. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.